Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Your dream of home ownership is much closer to reality than you think. Literally 5 minutes away from the ever buoyant and friendly town of Ocho Rios sits this recently updated 3 bedrooms, 3 bathroom house in Great Pond. Designed as an income generating property, this home comprises of two self-contained units with the main section consisting of 1 bedroom, living room, kitchen and 2 bathrooms. And the other unit consists of 1 bedroom, kitchen and a bathroom. At the back of the house is a generously sized detached room that could be used as guest accommodation or helpers' quarters. The land area of this house is approximately 7,351 square feet. If you are living overseas, this is your opportunity to state your claim on a piece of the island of paradise that is called Jamaica. Make an offer today. The keys to 4 Victory Lane awaits you. Some features of this house includes ceramic tiles, grilled, central location, quiet area, level lot, and pets are allowed. The current price of this house is Jamaican 18 million or US $117,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.